Southbend Convection Oven has all the features a busy kitchen needs from the inside out. Southbend's Convection Oven uses soft heat mixing zone technology that mixes hot air with cooler air to produce an evenly tempered environment, which ensures uniform baking and cooking.
Heat-wise, perfect, even, consistent across. Same thing with baking, especially soufflés.
One of the things that makes Southbend different than other companies competing in the same arena is that we listen to what the customer demands and we create solutions to their problems.
An average day for me is about 600, 700 people. So you need equipment that you can depend on. And that's why I like Southbend. It's a consistent product.
A quick recovery time is important to any kitchen. The Southbend Convection Oven features patented high-efficiency non-clog in-shot burners with a horizontal flame similar to a jet engine. This delivers 54,000, 72,000, or even 90,000 BTUs while reducing overall oven height.
The way that pays off is you will see uniformly baked product on all levels of the convection oven. Whether you're putting in one pan or two pans, you'll get the same bake and the same finish.
You want a piece of equipment that can withstand 80, 70 things going in it in the course of an evening.
On the outside, Southbend convection ovens feature newly engineered dependent doors with thermal isolated door handle that reduces handle temperature. A larger flat panel glass system eliminates once and for all grease vapor buildup within the windows for a clear view of what's cooking inside the oven. A new dual gasket system reduces air leakage through a center sealing system that not only seals the air gap between the doors, it also assists the doors pulling shut tightly and without leakage. Southbend's innovative new NRG system saves 35 to 50% on fuel cost. Our patented NRG dampens the flue, retaining heat inside the oven cavity while the burners are off. With the flues dampened, we also find an increased pressure in the cavity, driving more heat into the product. Flue dampening also creates a varied airflow pattern when engaged. This operation constantly changes the airflow in the cavity for a more even heat distribution and finish, eliminating hot spots.
This company's over 115 years old. Right now, the employees feel more connected to the industry than they've ever felt connected before.
And I've found with Southbend equipment, it holds up, it maintains the heat level, and it works. And when my customers are happy, I'm happy.